Hi everyone. In this video, we'll see how to build complete Struts application. This video is all about what are the components we need to build complete Struts application. So let's not worry about why we are using or why we are implementing like this. As I mentioned, this is all about components or how can we build complete Struts application. Now, let's understand the architecture of Struts framework. Here, I'm referring this website for architecture image. This is a great website which has given more information regarding Struts architecture. I will link down below. As we see here, it has module like action servlet, form main, subclass of action class, and it has like EJB or DAO layer, and then this view. When the user request comes from the browser, it invokes action servlet, which reads the configuration file, which has more information about form bean and action class. And this action forward will have information about the JSP, which it need to return as response. Let's try to implement that practically and understand it better. Here today we are going to create the alien list. So here you can see the current alien list, which is a list which is displaying here. And we can add in this module, we can add the alien to the list, and we can limit number of alien which we can add to the list in this block. So let's see how we can implement this one. So when user request comes from browser, first it goes to web.xml, which has information regarding this action servlet, and it has information about struts configuration file and the URL pattern, and it tells which is the JSP page it should go to. So as mentioned here, it goes to index.jsp. Here I've mentioned like JSP forward, which is going to alieninfo.do, which has more information in configuration file, which explains about action class, form bean. So we can see that here. This is struts config.xml file. In this action mapping, we can see the path which we have seen that in .jsp, that is alien info. So from this, we can see the form bean is alien form, which says it is alien form, and the action class which we're going to deal with is alien action. Here the scope is session, but it can be request or session based on the requirement. So from here, it goes to alien action. Here, let's not see how we are implementing or logic behind this, but we can see the outer part which has form bean, which we have mentioned there, and here we are trying to build list, and this is using alien DTO, which has alien ID, alien name, alien planet, and age. We can see this how we are displaying in JSP. So from this action class, we are doing logic to add alien list or alien information to the list. So this is the logic. Let's not understand the logic, because this video we are trying to understand the flow of struts. So when we come to this end part, which is forward part, it is mentioning we should go to success, and this is defined in configuration file. Here we can see this is forwarding the name. When it comes success, it is going to alien JSP. So this goes to alien JSP. Here we can see it has HTML form, which is here. Again, we are in mentioning this action, which is alien info, because if we are adding, when we click on that add button, this get triggered and it goes to configuration file, and we have seen the flow. This JSP alien.jsp, here we can see we have HTML form, and we have here action, which is also mentioned as alien info. This action, whenever we click something or user gives request, it goes to action, which is alien info, and we have seen how it flows. And here in this part, it is trying to create the list, or to display the list whatever we have. So I think, hope this gives how or what are the components we need to consider in Struts flow. So if you want to know the logic or the code which I have written for this, please comment down below and tell me, do you want me to do more video on this one? Thank you.